we could draw like that, so because you should draw like that.
What's the matter with you? Oh. What are you showing us then? It's a mummy bear. You should have towel, mate. I really loved her till this morning. She's been one for a weekend, but this morning she's gone to the dark side. She's really, really gone back to the dark side.